Have a pleasant day, everyone. Once again, this is your teacher Glenn, your biology teacher. Our topic for today is all about classification. How to classify organisms. Sounds interesting, isn't it? How organisms are classified. The basics. There are millions of species of organisms on Earth. A species is defined as a group of organisms that can reproduce to produce fertile offsprings. These species can be classified into groups by the features that they share. Example, all mammals have bodies covered in hair, feed young from mammary glands, and have external ears or pinnae. The binomial system. Organisms were first classified by a Swedish naturalist called Linnaeus in a way that allowed the subdivision of living organisms into smaller and more specialized groups. The species in these groups have more and more features in common, the more subdivided they get. He named organisms in Latin using the binomial system, where the scientific name of an organism is made up of two parts, starting with the genus, always given a capital letter, and followed by species, starting with a lowercase letter. When typed, binomial names are always in italics, which indicates they are Latin. For example, we have Homo sapiens, which, of course, the scientific name for human being. The sequence of classification is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. It always starts with the highest or the largest group, which is kingdom, and ends with the smallest group, which is species. In this topic, we have a revision tip. Just in case if you have examinations, it will help you a lot. The order of classification can be remembered by using a mnemonic like King Philip came over for grand spaghetti. Again, King Philip came over for grand spaghetti. Now, king represents, of course, kingdom, Philip for phylum, came for class, over for order, for family, grands for genus, and spaghetti for species. So, don't forget, King Philip came over for grand spaghetti. And finally, to illustrate the different orders of classification, we will be using humans or human being. We will start from the general to the specific. Let's start. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo, and species Sapiens. So, the scientific name for human being or humans is Homo sapiens. Thank you for listening.